A new AI video model has took over the internet. It's called Seedance 2.0 and it's coming from China. But before talking more about it, just watch this video.
Is this the best your planet can offer?
Me destroy everything!
Whatever. Let's get this over with.
Too slow.
Shut up and disappear!
No sayo. Beijita, ni urza dobi ni chang.
Seedance 2.0 will support up to 12 mixed input files. You can feed it images, videos, audio clips, and text prompts all at the same time. You upload a character reference image, a reference video, a background music track, and then type in a prompt describing the scene. The model is reportedly smart enough to understand how all of these inputs relate to each other and combines them into one cohesive output. Seedance 2.0 appears to generate audio and video simultaneously, not as separate steps. So if a character is walking, the footsteps match the walking pace. Everything is generated in one unified workflow. No need to layer audio in post. No syncing headaches. The model handles it natively. It supports 1080p output with professional-grade textures, lighting, and color grading. It's a noticeable jump over the previous version. It's going to release in next few weeks, but if you want early access, you can sign up through Higgsfield. I've dropped the link in description below. You can access it right now on ChatCut AI, but that requires an invite code. I'm gonna drop invite codes in next video, so make sure to subscribe. That's it from my end, and I've attached a few videos and their prompts, which are generated through Seedance 2.0. Enjoy them.
Strength in every drop, shine that lasts.
Is anything weird?
Nope, all is normal.
The first rule of Fight Club is you do not talk about Fight Club.
The second rule of Fight Club is you do not talk about Fight Club. If someone yells stop, goes limp, taps out, the fight is over. You put this thing inside me! Now it's mine!
Try harder.
You think that power belongs to you? I planted it in you when you were 12. Every connection, every whisper you ever heard was me.
Then you made a mistake, because I learned to use it better than you ever did! Will!
Together.
A new world is coming, and none of you will be in it.
There is no new world. Only you, alone. You sound just like Papa. What is happening?
Something is controlling it. Someone is inside Vector's mind. Sign.
Find me.
Gotcha.
If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI updates, and let me know what you'll create. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. Peace out.